Unconventional job search strategies. Forget LinkedIn and Indeed. Try this instead. Hi everyone and job seekers. Welcome back to our Workforce Workshop podcast. If you tried the same old job search routine on platforms like LinkedIn and Indeed, you are in for a treat. Today, we are shaking things up and exploring an unconventional approach to finding your dream job. I'm your host, Shiraz Kelly, and let's dive right in. The limitations of traditional job boards. Before we explore alternative job search strategies, let's discuss the limitations of traditional job boards like LinkedIn and Indeed. While these platforms are valuable resources for finding job listings, they also have their drawbacks. Competition can be fierce, and it's easy to get lost in this sea of application. Plus, not all job openings are posted publicly, meaning you could be missing out on hidden opportunities. Leveraging your network. One alternative to traditional job boards is leveraging your network to uncover job opportunities. Reach out to friends, family members, former colleagues, and acquaintances to let them know you're actively searching for a new job. Networking can uncover job openings and put you in touch with decision makers who may be advertising for positions they have open. Informational interviews. Informational interviews are another powerful tool in your job search arsenal. Instead of directly asking for a job, request informational interview. Instead of directly asking for a job, request informational interviews with professionals in your desired field or industry. These meetings, you learn more about their career path, ask for advice, and showcase your skills and enthusiasm. Building genuine connection can lead to job opportunities down the line. Freelancing and contract work. Freelancing and contract work can be a great way to expand your network, gain experience, and uncover potential full job opportunities. Many companies hire freelancers and contractors before committing to full-time hires, so don't overlook these opportunities. Plus, freelancing allows you to showcase your skills and build your reputation in your industry. Cold emailing companies directly. One bold approach to finding job opportunities is cold emailing companies directly. Research companies you are interested in working for and reach out to the hiring managers or department heads with a personalized email expressing your interest in that organization and how you can contribute. While not all companies will respond, this proactive approach can yield to surprising results. Attending industry events and conferences. Industry events and conferences are excellent opportunities to network with professionals in your field and uncover job opportunities, whether it is local markup, a conference, or trade show. Attending industry events allows you to connect with like-minded individuals and stay informed about industry trends and job openings. Volunteering and internship. Volunteering or interning at organization in your desired industry can be a strategic way to gain experience, expand your network, and uncover job opportunities. Many companies see internships as a pipeline for future hires, so don't underestimate the value of gaining hands-on experience and making meaningful connections. In conclusion, while traditional job boards like LinkedIn, Indeed are valuable tools, they are not the only avenue for finding job opportunities. By leveraging your network, conducting informational interviews, exploring freelancing and contract work, cold emailing companies, attending industry events, and volunteering or interning, you can uncover hidden job opportunities and land your dream job. So don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try these unconventional job search strategies. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this episode helpful, Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on career development, job hunting, and success strategies. Or if you have any questions or topic you would like us to cover in future episodes, feel free to write it in the comments section. Until next time, happy job hunting.